Okay, so this is how I present during my speeches. First, I set up a Google Meet on my computer, and then I open a new tab, which is this tab right here. I've already joined, and joined the same Meet. That's why you see two of my icons here. For recording my audience, I record using Screencastify, which is already installed into my computer, which is right here. Um, when I record using it, I always make sure I hit the tab option. And when I choose the tab option, I always record my second tab, in which I am not the quote unquote owner of the meeting. This way you can see my audience the whole time and me while I speak. Um, to make sure you can see all the audience members, make sure you have the grid turned on. If you don't, it'll only show the speaker. So I make sure that my grid is turned on so you can see all audience and me as well at all times. If I'm presenting something such as Google Slides, I go back to my first profile, first tab, and which I'm the quote unquote owner of, and I click present, and I just do a tab, and I make sure I already have my presentation opened on the slide I want, and I just choose that. So then while I'm seeing this and clicking through my slides, my audience is seeing this. Give it a second for it to load. Um, so while they see me presenting, I just see the slides, but it also records me talking, my audience, and the slides. Once again, just make sure you're using the tab recording option to record the second time you join the Meet. This makes it much easier, and you don't have to worry about, switching from tab to make sure you're recording everything at the same time. And then that's pretty much how I do it. It's a lot easier once you practice it once. It took me a couple trial and errors, but it's a lot easier than it seems. So hope it helps. Thank you.